Come on.
I wasn't trying to protect you. It's just, I made a promise that I was done with this life.
We both did.
Yeah, but I broke it. I didn't tell you because I was afraid.
Afraid of what?
Of losing you. I guess I was, protecting myself. You know?
We have a lot of ground to cover.
Yeah. Should keep moving.
Yeah.
This way.
At least we're on the right side of the river now.
Yeah. That would have been bad. Lure them here in hopes of finding a utopia, only to rob them of everything that they have.
We are dealing with a bunch of pirates.
Well, that is pretty diabolical, even for pirates.
Just need your help for a second.
Those things don't look steady.
They're not. Be careful. Sorry to disturb you, pal. Excuse me.
Come on. You alright?
Yeah.
Wow. Welcome to Avery's neighborhood.
It's a nice place. If you don't mind some structural problems and water damage.
Yeah, clearly some drainage issues.
A real fixer
Are we live?
opportunity.
Of course we are live. What's up, guys?
Okay, so
Hey, what's up, Arbad? How you
looks
doing,
like somebody
Arbad?
blew that
Welcome
dam
back to the
and
stream,
flooded the whole
bro.
place.
You know, I forgot. Pretty good at this.
All right, so which one of these do you think is Avery's?
My money's on that one. One that's still intact.
You're not so bad at this either.
Yeah, well, you know, I've had a little practice, read a few books.
Shit.